2025 reports UPSC revision vertical bar last minute cheat sheet vertical bar part 2. 1. World Press Freedom Index 2024. About Annual Global Index measuring the freedom of press across 180 countries. Published by Reporters Without Borders, RSF, Paris-based NGO. Key points: evaluates 5 parameters: political, legal, economic, socio-cultural, and security. Uses expert surveys plus real data, attacks, censorship. Score scale: 0, worst, to 100, best. India highlights. Rank 159, improved from 161 in 2023. Score dropped from 36.6 to 231.28. Declining press freedom due to political and legal constraints. 2 internet shutdowns in 2023. About tracks intentional government-imposed internet disruptions worldwide. Published by Access Now, Global Digital Rights NGO. Key points: focuses on impact on rights, education, and economy. Shutdowns often used to curb dissent. 13 Indian states issued 64 plus shutdown orders. India highlights. Highest number of shutdowns globally, 116 times. Most affected, Manipur and Punjab. 6th consecutive year at the top. 3. Good Governance Index, GGI. About assesses governance quality and public service delivery in Indian states. Published by Darpag, Government of India. Key points: biennial index with 50 plus indicators across 10 sectors. Categorize states into UTs, NE and Hill states, and others. 2019, Tamil Nadu topped vertical bar. 2021, Gujarat topped. 2023 edition postponed to 2025. 4. Global Nutrition Report 2024. About monitors global progress on nutrition, diets, and malnutrition. Published by Global Nutrition Report, GNR, Consortium. Key points: focus on child stunting, wasting, obesity, diet quality. Highlights links between poor nutrition, climate change, and inequality. India highlights. High child malnutrition persists. Poor dietary diversity, especially in urban areas. High anemia levels in women and children. Space Economy Report 2024. About analyzes the size and trends in the space sector. Published by ISRO. Key points: India's space economy $8 billion. Goal: 10% global share by 2030. Private sector participation rising via in space. Global Cybersecurity Index, GCI, 2023. About measures national cyber resilience. Published by ITU, UNS Telecom Agency. Key points: evaluates 5 pillars including legal and organizational measures. India highlights. Rank 10th. Strong certain framework. Lacks private sector collaboration and global synergy. Global Innovation Index 2024. About ranks countries on innovation input-output performance. Published by WIPO, INSEAD, Cornell University. India highlights. Rank 39th. Top in ICT exports and VC deals. Weak in education infrastructure. World Development Report 2024. About flagship World Bank report on development trends. Published by World Bank. Theme: Services for Development. India highlights. Recognized for UPI, Aadhaar success. High service exports, but informal sector challenges persist. Human Development Report 2024. About ranks countries by HDI based on health, education, income. Published by UNDP. India highlights. Rank 132/191. HDI 0.633, medium. Gender inequality remains high. Global Economic Outlook 2024. About forecasts economic growth, inflation, and fiscal performance. Published by IMF. India highlights. Growth estimate 6.5%, highest among major economies. Inflation controlled, domestic demand strong. Global Risks Report 2024. About identifies key global risks threatening development. Published by World Economic Forum, WEF. Top risks: climate inaction, cyber attacks, misinformation, conflict, stagnation. India highlights. Vulnerable to extreme weather and misinformation. Urged to build adaptive governance. World Energy Outlook 2024. About projects, energy demand and transition trends. Published by International Energy Agency, IEA. India highlights. Fastest growing energy consumer. Leading in renewables, solar, wind. Needs balance between growth and green targets.